Hello, wonderful Futarian. Thanks for watching this video. Remember that we had a discussion about the meaning of functions and mappings during the physical lecture. Let us briefly explain what's wrong with each almost true but never true sentence about functions, along with a note on the one that is always true. A function assigns multiple outputs to each input in the domain, depending on how the codomain is structured or defined. As a matter of fact, this statement is false. A function must assign exactly one output to each input in the domain. Multiple outputs per input means it's not a function. The codomain of a function always contains only those values that the function actually reaches through inputs from the domain. Very obvious that this sentence is false. Note that the codomain is the set of possible outputs. It can include values the function does not actually produce. Those are in the range. If a function's domain is infinite, then its codomain must also be infinite and contain every possible real number value. This sentence is also false. An infinite domain doesn't require an infinite codomain, and the codomain does not have to be all real numbers. Functions are only valid if their codomain equals their range, ensuring the output set is fully used by the domain. Worth noticing that this fourth sentence is also false. A function is valid even if the codomain includes values the function never actually outputs. Codomain equal range is very common. Changing the codomain of a function changes the actual values produced by the function for each input in the domain. It is worth remarking that this sentence is also false. Changing the codomain does not affect the outputs the function gives. It only changes how we view the function's output space. A function assigns exactly one output in the codomain to each input in its domain, ensuring a well-defined input-output relationship. At last, it is worth accepting that this last sentence is true. This is the correct definition of a function. Each input gets one and only one output from the codomain.